Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Melissa, and in this video I wanted to show you all some more purchases I made, but this time from Forever 21. But before I take all the things out of the bag, I want to just briefly go over the outfit that I'm wearing currently. I'm wearing this really fun pink top that has these great puffy sleeves. Now these are great because if you're someone that has broad shoulders, this puffy sleeve here, as you can see, really takes away from the broad shoulders. Really makes you have a very fun silhouette, and I feel like a princess wearing it. There's just something really regal, I think, about these sleeves, and especially because it's the color pink, it kind of gives me a Princess Peach feel, and I love Princess Peach. And then the top is stretch. It's very easy to put on. This was something that was very seamless, fun, and I think it's a great addition to a spring wardrobe. And the color is really fun too, so like this is just overall a very cute top. Really love it. But the sleeves, honestly, I had to wear this for this video because they're so cute. Look at them. I mean, I just can't get enough of them. And then for the skirt, very simple. It's a black denim skirt with buttons on the middle, very similar to a skirt I showed you in a recent video with H&M. Very easy to put on, very versatile. I think that, like I said before, black skirts can really go with anything. So if you don't have one in your wardrobe now, what are you waiting for? Purchase a black skirt. Alright, so now let's take a look and see what's inside this bag here. So first up, I have this cherry blossom skirt. So as you can see, there are blossoms and cherries on it. Now this is a very fun skirt because it's got this slit. So it's asymmetrical and there's a slit here. Or rather, it's just very short on one side and a lot longer on the other. Really fun. It's got these ruffles. I think this is a fun dress to wear if you're going to go out dancing, go out for lunch or with the girls. I wouldn't wear this to the office though because it is a bit short. But I think that this is a fun piece for the spring, and it goes with this top I'm wearing now too. Really cute and fun. I also have this pleather skirt here. Now I love this color, and I actually would wear this to the office. I think I would wear this with a black blouse or something that's a little bit more neutral. Maybe a white blouse as well. Got buttons on the middles as well. Really easy to put on. I think that this would be fun to wear. Also, if you're going out to dinner, I think this would really catch people's eyes. So if your dinner date is, not really paying attention to you, I'm sure there'll be other guys, sneaking a look at you from their tables with this on. Really cute, love this. Oh, and it has pockets too, which is great. Although the pockets really aren't functional, you could probably put maybe a piece of gum in there, but as most of you out there who are, already wearing women's clothing know, women's clothing don't really have the best pockets, so usually they're for show, but that, you could probably stick, your key in there or a stick of gum. I also purchased this really cute romper, and I already had the chance to try it on, and it was so comfortable. It felt like I was wearing pajamas. Now, this I would wear with some heels or some booties, and I think it would also look great with a denim jacket. So maybe a regular denim jacket or black denim jacket, but this is super comfortable, super fun, and I think that if you don't already have a romper in your wardrobe, what are you waiting for? They're great for the spring. Now I bought this dress here. I think this might have been an impulse buy. I'm not sure if I'm going to hold on to this, but here is the dress. I really like the color, I like the print, but the silhouette is a little weird. It's got a bit of a puffy sleeve as well, but the way that it fits, it doesn't really fit over the sleeve or my shoulders as well as I would like, or as well as this puffy sleeve does here. It kind of looks great when it's coming off the shoulder, but it's a cute dress. I'm not sure it's something I'm going to hold on to, but definitely wanted to, try it on at home. Got the chance to do that, and I'm on the fence about this, but it's a great pattern. It is cute. Just the fit for me, it fits, but it's just the way it's cut. I don't think it looks that great on me, but they can't all be winners now, can they? I also got this top here. Now this is actually great. I love the cut on this because it is a little bit over the shoulders, and anything that's a bit over the shoulders I think helps make you look a little bit more feminine, especially if you do have broad shoulders. So this is great. I also like this color. I'm just, again, a pink girl, so I just really love pink. And the way that it's cut, it's kind of suggestive. It's a little sexy, but you can get away with wearing this in the office, I think. I think this would look great with a white scarf or a ascot. That's how I would love to wear this. But it looks good on its own. Definitely want to be mindful of the bra that you wear with this, though. I also got these really fun pants. I just love these pants. It reminds me of sherbet ice cream. I'm not sure why, probably the color, but really fun. It came with this belt that you can tie on around the waist, really long. And then what's really great about these is that it's really trying to bring back the 70s with a bell bottom kind of cut. Really fun thing to wear, I think, for dancing. I would wear this to the office as well, but I think that this is just such a fun, flowy piece that I would, again, wear this to dance. I would wear this on a nice brisk walk or on a windy day to just like move with the wind. Super cute. And then for the top, I would wear maybe something like this. Actually, this looks really good together. I think this looks really fantastic together. I've already tried this combination and I thought it looked really good. But when I was wearing these, I felt like I was, ready to go disco. So these are definitely a fun piece. Super excited when I saw them. Super excited to see what I, wear these to in the future. I also got this top, another really, really inexpensive piece from Forever 21 because it was on the sales rack. In fact, the leather skirt that I showed you earlier was only $3 as well. So both pieces are only $3, total of $6, which is really great. This piece is awesome because it's plaid and I love plaid and I already have quite a few plaid pieces in my wardrobe. So it's gonna, fit right in to my closet, but I really like this cut. I think it's very sexy. It's got kind of a bit of a midriff and it's very tight up top. I think that this is something that you could wear without a bra, but if you are going to wear a bra, I would go with something darker, like black or maybe even yellow, actually. I think that'd be cute, but definitely want to be mindful with the bra when you wear with this as well. Oh, and then I have this shirt here. Now, I really like the sleeves on this shirt. The sleeves on this one is so cute. Look at this. Really flowy, really fun. I mean, I don't think there's such a thing as too many white blouses because they're all created so differently and there's so many different silhouettes. That's what's so exciting about women's clothing is that women's clothing, there's just so many different styles, so many different ways you can do the sleeves, wear your collar. They could be mid-rib, they can be long, they can be asymmetrical. I mean, men's clothing aren't as exciting at all. It's just like they're not even half as fun. So again, like this white blouse is completely different from any other white blouse that I saw, but really, really did enjoy the sleeves on this one. Super cute, although I will say the buttons are a little harder to put on. I would say that with Forever 21, things are a little bit hard to put on. The zippers aren't as functional or as strong as you would want it to be. It's like I really have some trouble zipping up some of these pieces or buttoning this shirt up. So just be careful when purchasing things from Forever 21. Try it on then at the store and see if, you can easily put it on and take it off. If not, maybe you might need to reconsider purchasing it or going a size above this. I just love the sleeve so much that even though the buttons are a bit hard to put on, I'll manage. I also purchased these two hats here. Now the first one here is this wide brim hat. Love this deep crimson color. Makes me think of Carmen Sandiego. And when I wear it, I feel, very mature, very sophisticated. It's a fun hat. It's really a fun hat. And I think that I would wear this with the pleather skirt that I showed you earlier with a similar color. Looks fantastic together, honestly. And then I have this really fun pink hat. Reminds me of like the disco era, those hats that they wore at like Soul Train and all that. Really fun, really cute, and it actually really goes well with this blouse here. So, maybe I'll wear it for the duration of this video. I also purchased these sunglasses. When I saw these, I thought Barbie, and I knew I had to have them because there was already so much in my cart that was pink. I knew I had to, also have some pink sunglasses because the sun is out longer now. Daylight savings is right around the corner, and you have to have your sunglasses ready, especially here in New York City when, the light's like reflecting off those different surfaces of buildings and all that. So, just living my Barbie fantasy in these. What do you guys think? I also purchased these earrings here, which are really cute. They're super big, but they're not too heavy. They're plastic, and they've got a bit of bling on them. They're pink, so they're going to go with pretty much everything I've purchased and worn in this video. And I'm super excited to try these out. What do you think? They go with this outfit too, don't they? Although maybe this is too much pink. What am I thinking? No such thing. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. All the items that you've seen in this video are from Forever 21 with the exception of my headband. As always, I'm Yefirulasa. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you all in my next fashion forward video. Bye now.